Tea. Hey everyone, and welcome back to My Kitchen Everyday Eats. Today, we're making something absolutely irresistible, a homemade teriyaki chicken bowl. Forget takeout, because once you try this recipe, you'll be making it on repeat. It's savory, a little sweet, and packed with so much flavor. Plus, it's way easier than you think. Are you ready? Let's get cooking. First things first. Let's talk about the star of the show, the teriyaki sauce. This is what makes the dish magical, and making it from scratch is a game changer. In a small bowl, we're going to combine half a cup of soy sauce, a quarter cup of mirin, that's a sweet Japanese rice, wine, and 2 tablespoons of sake. If you don't have sake, you can substitute it with a little rice vinegar or even just water. To this, add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. You can use honey or maple syrup if you prefer. Now for the aromatics. Grate in about a 1-inch piece of ginger and 1 or 2 cloves of garlic. Give it all a good whisk until the sugar is dissolved. And that's it. Your authentic flavor-packed teriyaki sauce is ready. Set this aside for now. Next up, the chicken. I'm using about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken thighs because they're super juicy and flavorful, but chicken breast works great too, sir. The key is to cut the chicken into uniform, bite-sized pieces, about 1 inch each. This ensures they cook evenly and quickly. Pat the chicken pieces completely dry with a paper towel. This is a crucial step to get a nice sear on the chicken. Once they're dry, sprinkle them with a little salt and black pepper. You don't need much, as the teriyaki sauce is already salty. Now, let's head over to the stove. Heat a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of a neutral oil, like canola or vegetable oil. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully add the chicken pieces to the pan in a single layer. Don't overcrowd the pan. You might need to do this in 2 batches. We want to sear the chicken, not steam it. Let the chicken cook for about 3 to 4 minutes without moving it. You want to develop a beautiful golden brown crust on one side. This caramelization adds a ton of flavor. After a few minutes, give the chicken a toss and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes until it's cooked through and golden on all sides. If you cooked in batches, add the first batch back into the skillet. Now, turn the heat down to medium-low. It's time for our homemade teriyaki sauce. Pour the sauce all over the chicken. You'll immediately hear that satisfying sizzle and smell the amazing aroma of garlic, ginger, and soy. Let it simmer gently, stirring occasionally, for about 3 to 5 minutes. The sauce will thicken up and coat every single piece of chicken in a glossy, beautiful glaze. Look at that shine. While the chicken is simmering away, let's quickly prep our bowl components. A classic teriyaki bowl needs a bed of fluffy steamed rice. I like to use short-grain Japanese rice, but jasmine or any white rice works perfectly. Cook it according to the package directions for some freshness and crunch. I love adding steamed or blanched broccoli florets. You can also use other veggies like sliced carrots, edamame, or bell peppers. Just quickly steam or stir-fry them until they're tender crisp. Okay, our chicken is perfectly glazed, the rice is fluffy, and our veggies are ready. It's time to assemble our masterpiece. Start with a generous scoop of steamed rice in a bowl. Arrange a good portion of that glossy, saucy teriyaki chicken on one side. Add your steamed broccoli on the other side. Now for the finishing touches that take it to the next level. Sprinkle some toasted sesame seeds over the top for a nutty flavor and a little crunch. And for a pop of color and freshness, add some thinly sliced green onions. You can also add a drizzle of sesame oil or a pinch of red pepper flakes if you like a little heat. And there you have it. A stunning restaurant-quality teriyaki chicken bowl made right in your own kitchen. The chicken is tender and juicy, coated in that sweet and savory sauce, all balanced perfectly with the fluffy rice and fresh veggies. This is the perfect weeknight meal. It's quick, satisfying, and so much better than takeout. I really hope you give this recipe a try. It's definitely going to become a new favorite in your house. Thanks so much for cooking with me today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more delicious recipes. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me make next. Until then, happy cooking!